Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the YieldBricks token. Ticker symbol is YBR. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. Today is November 26th. This token is on the Arbitrum blockchain. So far they have 2,030 holders, off to a good start this project. We're going to go over the information on YieldBricks and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the YieldBricks token just got listed today, November 26th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the YieldBricks token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol YBR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that time has already passed, so it is available now on MEXC Global. Now this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain, so most likely you could also get this token by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with ARB, going into the dApps, finding a DEX for Arbitrum like Camelot, and then trading your ARB for this token using the contract address that you'll be able to find on their official webpage, YieldBricks.com. So it says here, you can also check out the price and the chart and all the statistical information of this token on DEX tools. It says real world asset yield innovation, simplifying investment. We enable easy access to stable and high yields for everyone. Simplified for everyone, innovation, and DeFi farms. So they do have a 15-page DocSend Dropbox. It's kind of like a document white paper that you could check out with all the information. So it says DeFi vaults plus RWA yield equals borderless investing. Enhanced DeFi RWA protocol. A next-gen hybrid investment fund solution in a form of DeFi yield farming pools, and committed to democratizing access to premium yield-bearing real estate on a global scale. Simplifying investment, YieldBricks enables easy access to stable and high yields for everyone. Their top 3 missing pieces, basically the crucial problems, what they're trying to solve here, says only 6% of highly motivated retail are able to invest in real estate. So there is a capital barrier. High capital demands are a significant obstacle for retail and private investors looking to enter the market. Limited liquidity. The illiquid nature of real estate is a heavy challenge on the majority of the potential investors of both on and off chain. And deal flow accessibility. Premium deals are often limited to the elites, and navigating global markets is a hurdle even for seasoned investors. So there's optimized solutions, RWA yield generation. So liquidity unlocked. Secondary marketplace, instant liquidation feature, and multiple exit options. Fractionalization, affordable $50 entry price. Dynamic investment options, property-specific vaults. It's retail friendly, so non-security classification, worldwide user adoption, and simplified user experience. Instant benefits, so pre-funded properties, immediate yield distribution, and lucrative appreciation potential. And full transparency, so no lockups required, advanced liquid staking, and transparent live monitoring. And then we have global coverage, so selected high-yield portfolio, unique sourcing teams, and $20 million total value locked expectations on launch. So you can join and explore vaults, pick and buy slots, and relax and enjoy yield. And you can test the beta version right now. So there's going to be different, it's like a roadmap basically for YieldBricks 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. Basically, they're looking to get more active users each time, bigger total value locked, more monthly revenue, and then expanding to different areas of the world, basically. So exponential growth for generational opportunities. 4 billion to 40 billion to 500 billion. So they have a vibrant community. Their target audience is going to be Gen Z passive income seekers, developing world investors, high net worth individuals, professional athletes, degen yield farmers, and Web3 projects and DAOs. So they have investment strategies, 15% plus annual yield from mobile homes, parking lots, elderly homes, dorm houses, multi-family homes, shopping malls, self-service car washes, etc. The market adoption, they are gathering the full potential, attracting investors with airdrops, tier rankings, targeting ads, strategic partnerships with huge communities, hedge funds, and liquidity providers, educational content for user bases, referral programs, EduFi, strategic promotions for wealth managers, TikTok short videos, global brokers, and special campaigns for YieldBricks, roadshows, and AI research tools. So they have different phases, basically the pre-launch phase, growth phase, post-TGE phase. They're going to be multi-chain, so they're going to be on different chains besides Arbitrum. And they're going to have big central exchange listings like MEXC Global. If you go to their DocSend, their document, there's going to be some team information there, a couple pictures and names and background and stuff like that. And besides that, they have the token information. So it's on ETH and ARB right now. So you'll probably be able to get the Ethereum version off Uniswap, you know, the Arbitrum version off of Camelot. But you can get this token right now, as of today, on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.